Hello, Fantasia la Sonnambula, great piece. I already talked about this piece in my another tutorial. That time I just talk about the musical side of this piece and then the whole thing, how I imagine to play it. Today maybe some advices how to make the sound, how to make this piece best sounding, which is quite difficult, quite fast. So some things, the beginning, which is really fortissimo, so we start on the string always, never start like this. I put my bow on the string and start to play, so we have good start of the sound. And continue. Sometimes I hear very strange beginning of this piece with a biggest possible first note and then kind of technical playing really fast and you cannot recognize the notes. So I prefer to play every note, of course, maybe as fast as we can, as we like, as we imagine to play, but very clear. So just pay attention every note to play as good as you can and stay on the string. Continue fortissimo, continue this best sound. So that was the beginning. This is cadenza. But still try to keep kind of tempo in it. Don't be too free. It's strange when sometimes people play really slow and very fast, and this makes me tired when I'm listening to it. So kind of line in it. And then we have a theme. Here the real tempo starts, and even if we have some jumps and not really comfortable to play this lyrical theme, but maybe this is most important, to play as much legato as we can. And I always say keep the same bow speed, keep the same bow pressure on the string. Don't be too crazy with the bow, because immediately you change your sound. And I don't like well, that's too much, but sometimes too many glissandi doesn't help this moment, this theme of the Sonnambula. So I prefer to play as clear as possible. If I make a glissando, then I think about it. How much, how long, and where. Then a little waltz is coming. I still try to play the same character, the same sound, kind of sound. My bow is quite slow, just to continue from just the same. So try to play the same. There are two bars which are different, much more attack, more forte, even more contact bow with the string. Well, it's different, but still the same piece. So don't forget you play the same piece and continue this kind of playing.